reduce.
Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh has informed that the process of rehabilitation of over 200 hawkers and street vendors who are currently running their businesses in Kandailat area will be completed within June this year. Speaking to reporters after attending a strawberry festival held at Kandailat, Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh said they have decided to declare Kandailat as a pedestrian zone where there will be no vehicular traffic, and tremendous progress have been made in this respect. According to him, within the month of June, they should be in a position to relocate about 200 street vendors.
The idea of how Shillong and Kandailat will be declared as a pedestrian zone where there will be no vehicular traffic inside as you enter Kandailat. We have already made tremendous progress in this respect, and within the month of June we should be in a position to relocate about 200 vendors, street vendors who are currently operating and running their business at Kandailat, and they will be rehabilitated